Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
camera photo liquid cleaners.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Aeroclipse was designed for digital image makers that need to carry a cleaning fluid when flying commercially. It is made to be non-flammable, but to do so, it has less methanol and several other additives. As a result, it may require a little extra work to remove some residues left behind by these additives. If you are not traveling, it is recommended you use Eclipse. Using Sensor Swab Ultra and Aeroclipse, we will show you how easy and safe it is to clean your camera sensor. It is a quick and simple procedure to master when you use as directed here. To begin, you will need to have your camera accessible with the battery fully charged. Refer to your owner's manual for instructions on accessing the sensor. Have one Sensor Swab Ultra along with Aeroclipse Optic Cleaner next to you. Open one end of the clear swab packaging, but do not remove it yet. Remove the lens from your camera and lock up the mirror to access the sensor. Discard the used swab. Never reuse a swab on any sensor. If you choose, use a loupe or magnifier to verify the sensor is clean. It is best to test your sensor for cleanliness before proceeding to capture important images. One way to verify the image onto your computer: enlarge to 100% and move the image to all areas of the photo to check for dust. When photographing typical scenes, use your discretion when deciding if you need to re-clean the sensor. Once you are comfortable with sensor cleaning, you may wish to adjust the number of drops of liquid and the pressure to suit your own technique. In just a few minutes, your sensor is clean. Since 1998, our sensor swabs have been the only. Photographic Solutions was the first company to offer an unconditional guarantee against sensor damage. If our specified products are used according to our instructions and you damage your sensor's coating, see our guarantee page at photosol.com for instructions. Sensor Swab Ultra is available in a variety of sizes. Check our swab size chart online for the correct size for your camera's sensor.